Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. Today we're looking at something that caught my eye. It's called the Cinomadist Swift Backpack. Now this is marketed as a backpack for athletes and for sporty people. So if you're carrying gear to the gym or the sports field, this bag is fantastic. The way it doesn't fall over and it holds 29 liters with a separate ventilated space for your shoes. It's perfect for whatever sport you're into. Now the moment I saw this backpack with its rigid shape and all the compartments and the way it stands upright, I thought this would be a dream bag for a content creator like me or anyone carrying expensive camera equipment around. I'm going to walk you through the design, the features, and how this bag can be used to carry everything from gym gear to tech gear. Let's jump in and have a look. The first thing you'll notice about the Swift is its structure. It's got this semi-rigid form that protects what's inside without being bulky or heavy. It holds its shape whether it's empty or packed full, so you're never fighting that saggy bag. It comes in this sleek, minimalistic style, perfect if you don't want a flashy sports bag, but you still want something modern. The fabric feels durable, water resistant, and ready to handle a bit of rain on your commute or at an outdoor event. This bag is all about organization. If you're using it for workouts, you've got a main compartment that's surprisingly spacious, enough for a change of clothes, a towel. There's even a removable waterproof pouch. You can see that in the back. There's also a dedicated ventilated space for your gym shoes. I like having my shoes separate from my clothes and my towel. Check out all those pockets. Amazing. So many pockets. In fact, there are 18 dedicated compartments, perfect for organizing your stuff, and I love how they're built into the sides of the bag. And I really like the mix of mesh and solid pockets. Mesh pockets are so great. I love being able to see what's in the pocket without having to unzip and reach in. The outside has these three fairly rigid zippered pockets. I guess we'd call them pockets. They're compartments with straps across the bottom too. Perfect if you need to attach something to the bag with a carabiner or a clip. The other side of the bag, let's turn it around, has one big zippered pocket. I'm curious of your thoughts on this bag so far. If this is something you're interested in, check out the link I've added below. Now let me show you the back pocket. It opens up the full width and height of this bag. It's padded and it will hold up to a 17-inch laptop or tablet. This is my 13-inch laptop. It slides in easily, and there's even more pocket space for other paperwork, documents, magazines, whatever you want to bring with you. I want to talk a little more about the shoe compartment. Now it has its own liner. It's not a huge space. My shoes, size 9 women's, fit great, but my husband's size 11 were a tight squeeze. So keep that in mind if you have bigger shoes and if you're buying this bag for fitness. Now I'm not worried that much about that. I'm excited to use this bag for my tech gear when we head out on a film shoot. Here it is with my camera, my drone, and my GoPro. They fit perfectly in this space. The pockets and the compartments are perfect for the charging cables, extra batteries, chargers, and my tripod. Let's check out the size of the bag. So you're looking at about 19 inches tall by 15 inches wide and 9 inches deep. Now, if you're traveling with your Cinomadist Swift bag, you're going to be happy to know that it has a luggage slip on the back, making it so easy to run through an airport. It just slides right over the handle and holds your bag in place. Let's have a look at the back of the bag. Here you have padded shoulder straps. The right strap has a built-in secret pocket with a zipper. This pocket is perfect for things like cash, transit cards, or tickets. On the straps, you'll also find adjustable sternum straps. They actually slide up and down the shoulder straps for a perfect fit. The shoulder strap length is also adjustable. They're made with a fabric that's super strong. It's like a seatbelt material. Now here's my favorite part of the bag, the secret back pocket. It sits flat with your lower back, and you can keep things hidden that you don't want people to find, like your passport, your wallet, or tickets. It's a great hidden space. Overall, the Cinomadist Swift Backpack really surprised me. Now it's marketed towards athletes, but honestly, I think it's a fantastic tech and creator backpack too. If you're someone who needs organization, durability, and a bit of protection for your gear, this is worth a look. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out for yourself. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more travel, gear, and lifestyle reviews. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I'll see you again soon.